This will be a speed test between the iPhone 11 Pro Max versus the Huawei P30 Pro. Now the iPhone 11 Pro Max, this one has the A13 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM on iOS 13 in this pretty cool midnight green colorway, the fidget spinner camera setup in the back, etc. And on the right we have the Huawei P30 Pro with a Kirin 980, 6 gigs of RAM on this bad chicken, latest version of EMUI, also on Android 9. Love the camera on this with a crazy periscope camera, etc. Pretty cool. All right, so let's just go ahead and turn on both at the same time. We'll see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Apple versus Huawei. Huawei. See which phone will boot up faster here. Let's find out. Huawei going through animation. Oh! And give the win to the Huawei P30 Pro, as you can see. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and swipe over to where all the apps are. And let's take a look. No recent apps in the background on the Huawei P30 Pro. Same thing on the 11 Pro Max. Nothing in the background. All apps and caches have been cleared. The browsers have been cleared as well. Nice and even for that. So let's get started by tapping the phone app and a mistouch on the iPhone. Let's try that again. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. What the fuck's going on? Is this working? It is working. All right, let's try that again. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Identical. Messages. Ooh, P30 Pro, hella fast. Whoa, check out the camera, right? Meow. Go. Identical. You guys are the judges on that one. And let's see, up next is the clock. Ooh, a little bit faster on the iPhone. Let's go ahead and just start the stopwatch on both. We'll leave that running. And then we have Safari and Chrome. All right, let's do a search for, I don't know, what's on my mind right now. Let's see, Fanatics. Do some sport shopping. And then, okay, click on this one. And a little bit faster on the right. And what is going on with the 11 Pro? 11 Pro having some issues here. Issues? What is going on? Okay, let's go. And nothing's happening. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Maybe that didn't work out. All right, let's go to Verge. Oh my goodness. Typos. Verge with a V as in victory. My gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go. And I don't know what's going on with Safari here. What is happening to this web browser? Oh, there it is. Okay, that was very odd. Maybe take a point away. Kind of glitchy today. What's up with iOS 13, man? Okay, anyway, moving right along. Go ahead and just scroll through this. Do pinch to zoom, nice and smooth, and do the same thing here on the right. And then let's click on something right now. Let's click on, what is this? Whoops, clicked on the wrong one. Now you get the idea. Very fast performance. Okay, let's actually click on the same ad or the same web page here. There we go. Give you the idea of the performance of the browser. Calculator. App Store, Play Store. Okay, we'll go ahead and do a search for my favorite. Go. Ooh, that was really fast on the left. And then let's see. Click on this one. Click install and get. Nope. Leave it there. We do have Amazon on both phones. Oh, very close. And then let's see. Go ahead and click on the deal of the day here. Just touch on the... Dude, what is going on with the 11 Pro right now? It's like glitchy or something. eBay. You guys are the judges on that one. Leave it there. And then some games now. Mario Run. Loading on the P30 Pro. Ooh! Give the slight edge to the P30. Tap to begin. Oh, but iPhone with a comeback here, running the game. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle. Loading on both. Oh, and give the win to the Huawei on this one, as you can see. Yeah, this is weird on the Huawei. Gotta swipe up 3 times just to get back to the home screen. Kind of weird. Do have Angry Birds on both phones. Logging in. I think the iPhone's ahead. Yup. I don't think the P30 is gonna catch it. And give the win to the iPhone 11 Pro Max on this. And we do have Asphalt 9. Oh, which one's gonna... Oh, give the win to the P30 Pro on this. So you can see. And get rid of this. And then, of course, we have to test out the PUBG on both phones. I think the iPhone's ahead. Yeah, iPhone always wins the PUBG. Yup. Give the victory to the 11 Pro on this, as you can see. A little bit of separation. And then here we go. P30 catching up now. And then we do have Photoshop Express on both phones. A little bit faster on the left. However, this has more pictures, so judge that how you want. So we'll go ahead and load this one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just choose white balance on both. And then let's just pick cloudy right now. This is an 8K image I have on both phones. And then I'm gonna click on this. A little bit faster on the P30 and the 11 Pro. A little bit of a lag. And then we'll save on both, see which one does this faster. Go. Ooh, faster on the 11 Pro Max. Social media apps, we do have Twitter on both. Okay, same, or the P30 out in front on that one. We do have IG, P30 again. WhatsApp, P30, and Snapchat. Give that to the Huawei. Let's go ahead and take a look at the RAM management on both phones. So you can see everything's in the background. Huawei P30 Pro has 6 gigs. iPhone has 4. So let's just run through these apps again and see how they handle it. No issues on the social media apps. We'll go to Photoshop, still there. And then the PUBG, same place, ready to go on both phones. Asphalt 9. Oh! A little bit of a reload here. A reload on the P30 Pro, so you can see Angry Birds 2. Okay, that one kept in RAM. A little bit of a lag, but still kept it in memory. And then we do have the Temple Run 2. And this one's a reload on the right. Yeah, this is weird with the 3 swipe ups. Go back home. Kind of weird. Okay, Mario Run still in RAM though. That's cool. eBay. Okay, reload on the right. Amazon, another reload on the right. Okay, I think the P30 Pro is just reloading stuff now. Okay, TikTok, super annoying, still there. Calculator, still there. Chrome, same place. Clock, both are still running the stopwatch. And then we'll take a look at the camera again. See which one will reload this faster. Go. Oh, a little bit faster on the Huawei. P30 coming back. Messages, there we go. Whoops. And the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking your brand new iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or 11 Pro Max. If you have an iPhone XS or XS Max, are you gonna switch to this phone? If you have the original iPhone X or the iPhone 8, iPhone 7, or even an iPhone 6S or 6S Plus with the headphone jack, are you gonna switch to the 11 Pro? Or do you like Huawei phones, like this Huawei P30 Pro, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro? Are you looking forward to the upcoming Mate 30? This phone arguably has the best camera on a smartphone with its crazy 5x camera. So let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.